Want to save 25% off MSRP or more on a new motorhome? Then visit MHSRV.com.
The bays are packed. The tank is full. And you have the trip all planned out. But this is a Magnitude. Where the pavement ends, the adventure begins. And with available four-wheel drive, you're free to go where other motorhomes won't dare. The 2020 Magnitude from Thor Motor Coach. Look at that. Is that even a road? Who cares? Your Magnitude has a 6.7-liter Power Stroke V8 rumbling under the hood. The 330 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque are ready to drive all four wheels when and where you need it. No matter where you're piloting your Magnitude, at your fingertips, all the gadgets and goodies you could want. That 8-inch color LCD touchscreen features Ford Sync 3 with swiping capability, 911 assist, app link, satellite radio, and navigation to help you find new roads to explore. Check this one out. It's the Mobileye collision and lane departure warning system. It's a great co-pilot to have on board. Keep an eye on the speed limit, distance from the vehicle in front of you. It has pedestrian warning, lane departure when you drift, plus it's easy to use. There's a lot of space up here too. You can put the phone here, and this spot was made for the perfect cup of coffee. Stay charged with USB, 12 volt, and 110 outlets. The Magnitude beats your daily driver. How about heated remote mirrors, rear view and side view camera monitor, emergency start, and this trailer brake controller for the playthings on that 10,000-pound hitch. You also have keyless entry. Right above these sweet-looking all-weather custom floor mats, power adjustable pedals. You ready to explore the floor plans and features you'll find in the Magnitude? The living area ensures everyone always has their favorite place to sit. Here's your booth dinette. It's comfortable for a cup of coffee and your favorite show on the TV with Blu-ray player. It's a quick change artist too, as it easily makes into a great place to sleep. Head over to the sofa. You can spend hours here, lounging, talking, even napping, as it too makes into a bed and is easy to flip right back into the seating space you want. What about home theater seating on the go? You want it? You got it in the XG32. The Magnitude never shorts you on storage. There's room for everything behind the high-gloss glazed cabinetry. Store your belongings anywhere, like under the booth. Pretty handy. The Magnitude comes in a bunkhouse floor plan, and each bunk is equipped with its own TV. You can also sleep two in the over-the-cab bunk with powered skyshade. Not everyone needs the over-the-cab bunk, which is why you can get your Magnitude with the entertainment center with TV, Blu-ray player, and soundbar. In the Magnitude, if you're the chef, it's your rules in the kitchen, as you have all the space and tools you need to create great meals. You have solid surface countertops and sink covers. Stainless steel fridge with ice maker, 2-burner high-output gas range with single induction cooktop, a convection microwave, pop-up outlet, stainless steel double bowl sink, a flip-up countertop extension. It is all here. The Magnitude is available in bath and a half floor plans. Whatever you need, you're going to find here. A shower with glass door and skylight, tankless hot water, a sink, usable counter space, and medicine cabinets. The bedroom in the Magnitude ensures a great night's sleep. You'll sleep on a queen, king bed, even a tilt-a-view bed on select floor plans. Here's another standout in the Magnitude. The closet. No matter where you go or what you do, you will have clothes for all your outings. A few more items to point out. You have a TV, and in the nightstand, USB charging ports, along with the app-enabled Bluetooth Coach radio system. It's easy to download all the apps you want when you're connected to your own 4G hotspot with WineGuard Connect. You can set up a secure internet connection wherever you happen to be, which in a Magnitude means nowhere close to civilization. How about downloading the app for Rapid Camp Plus? From your phone or tablet, you can control your lights, monitor power from the 50 amp shore power, the 1800 watt inverter, or the diesel generator. Get the status on your tank levels. Turn on the heat or AC, open and close vents, open and close the awnings, which is perfect when you head out for the day. Since you're off the beaten path, the Magnitude is set up to take care of all your needs. With the large storage bays, you always have the room to bring what you need. Think about what you can do with this exterior kitchen. You have your fridge, sink, and the Quick Connect propane connection makes it easy to toss a few dogs on the grill. If the mood strikes, hang out under the power patio with LED lighting and watch TV or play music with the Bluetooth soundbar. Go ahead and play it loud. There's a good chance you're somewhere other motorhomes simply can't go. This is the 2020 Magnitude from Thor Motor Coach. Find the Magnitude floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership-performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?